Problem 140, Bravo.
Tab 2, Kilo.
Now, are you able to give us a wind check?
Four, that's 390.
134, 390, 34 Alpha Tower. Coming 5000, sample 1 Yankee departure.
Channel 36 Kilo Papa.
System Papa 80, level by Dane.
Level 80, level by Dane, Etihad 2 Kilo Quebec.
Dallas, good evening, Ryanair 18 Charlie Bravo, and I'm heading on 325, heading flight level 200 degree level being Elbow, and it's 280 knots.
Ryanair 185 Bravo, go to control, that's it.
Hello. Mike is not working, but that's weird. That's weird, that. Audio input, audio capture, mic input. Why is the mic? I don't know. So this is a video test. What's this one?
The waypoint where to be to let the level?
I'm using a SDR connected to my outside antenna.
The level by glass, you're never to 5.
We're on aircraft. So I can pick up aircraft very well. As you can see, there's different.
190, thank you, sir. 91
So it's picking up aircraft very well, but I can't pick up. Well, I can pick up, but I can't hear the amateur bands, 2 meter bands. So if I get my radio out, bear with. I'm just gonna make this random. This is a random video. Okay, so I'm an amateur license. Let's go. 134. 134425. 134425. 134425. There should be something on that. But let's just change over. Right. 14555. So let's mute you a minute. See this one here, really strong one.
Just divert back to eastern.
Divert. Ooh, that's cool. So I hope it's not peaking out too loud. Turn you down a little. There's all these different sounds that come through. There's one there, and then you can see in the waveform where the different sounds are. So 145, 145. I apologise for that. 145, 5. Oh, and then put that to an O, and then put that, and then turn it down. Testing, 1 2. Testing, this is M7AQI giving out a test. M7AQI giving out a test. See, I can't pick up any audio, he's just giving me this. Testing, 1 2. So you can see my waveform. There's something here. What's this? Hello? Can you hear me? Wow, I'm at 145, so that's good. What's this one? Hello? Hello? But I'm here. I'm supposed to be here. Wow, look, I'm all over the frequency. Look at that. What's this one? Hello? You can hear me there. Oh, look. I see. This is out of tune. Ah. Right. M7AQI giving out a test. Do you know what? Give me a second, because I think I've figured this shit out. Okay. Right, I think I figured this out. This is just... I think this radio is way out of tune. So, M7AQI, right, I am currently listening over here, and look at the... I'm supposed to be on 145550, testing, and you can hear me here, all the way here, testing, M7AQI going out of test. Oh, I get it. Right, we're on. So, how do I... no, we're going to change... delete. 145550. How do I change power? I don't want FM radio. No? Put it on low. M7AQI giving out a test. You can't hear me. Right. So 1455. M7AQI giving out a test. Hello? Oh. M7AQI giving out a test. Hello. If I go here, you can hear me. Hello? M7AQI giving out a test. M7AQI. Right. Where am I? Okay. Let's go back to 9. So you can hear me there. I see what the issue is here. The offset tuning. Right. Why is it so off? I'm supposed to be broadcasting on 145550, and this software in the dongle is way out of whack. So I'm broadcasting all over the spectrum there. Look at that. Which is not very good. What's this one? Can you hear me on this one? Oh, you can. Testing. Put it back to 9. 8. 8 seems good. Look at that. You can hear me just fine. Offset tuning. Offset. I've got to have a look now. Oh my god. Right. I don't know how to use this software. I've never used it before. Okay. Squelch is on 3. Right, look. Testing. Testing. This is M7AQI giving out a test. M7AQI giving out a test. 54321 12345. Gotta have a play around. I see what's going on here. This must have an offset. Offset, what is that it? Hang. M7AQI. Hello. Right. What does this do? Hello. Doesn't do anything. So looking at this software, it looks like... Hey, there's something here.
Okay, got that 100% now, Kevin. I'm operator John. I'm a portable station. I'm on some high ground here in the North Staffs area. A place called Melcrop. MOW.
Sorry for the double back, it's because it's coming through the microphone as well. So yeah, playing around with this software, you can see where when people are talking here, and you can scroll around, and there's dead carriers all over the place. I think it's interference in my flat, to be honest, all the technology interfering. So you can see when people are talking. So it shows you the level. This static is real bad. I need to see if there's a what's it called? Signal diagnosis. Noise reduction. RF enabled.
As most of them are allowed to use, with a Diamond 9500 antenna over.
So basically looking at it now, right, I need to get a new dongle. This dongle, I see the problem now, which will need to be rectified. I need a new dongle, a new SDR dongle. Because this has a lot of the offset. So I'm on one, let me, oh god. Alright, how do we get, right, let me explain what's going on here. So I don't know about all the noise in the background. That's because the squelch is quite low, which is opening up further away field people. But basically the issue that we're having is this has some sort of offset applied to it, or the box is not tuned correctly by the manufacturer. So for example, I transmit on 14500 whatever 145.0000, right? Or I transmit on this number here, but yet when this is receiving it, I'm 0.100 away. So let me give you an example for you quickly. 145550. Okay, 145. Let me go to the frequency my radio is set. 550, right? Turn this on. Testing 1 2. You cannot hear me, but you can see me, right? But if you look over here, okay, let's go to 8. Testing. So I'm supposed to be transmitting M7AKI giving out a test. I'm supposed to be transmitting on 145550, but this is picking me up on 145.978. So M7AKI giving out a test. So as you can see, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 5, 6, 7, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That'd be 400, 5, 6, 7, 420. Right, so it's 428 decibel off frequency. 400. So you got the big number, and then you get a point. This number here, it's 0.428 off, and that's nothing to do with my radio. That's to do with this receiving 0.428 off. Wow, that is quite out. And as you can see, when I'm transmitting, maybe because I'm so close, the box is only behind this monitor to my right. As you can see, it's very off, so I'll test it again. You can see people talking. M7AQI, Mike 7 Alpha Quebec, India. Hello, M7AQI. As you can see, I'm transmitting here, and then I'm transmitting here, and then it's picking me up here. What I'm going to go here? You can't hear me as well. Right. Hello? See? I'm supposed to be transmitting there. So keep going, M7AQI. If I put myself here and then turn this to now, you can hear me. So I see what the problem is. I know I'm going all over the spectrum. It's picking me up here, here and here. So I think there's a problem with the dongle, to be honest. M7AQI giving out a test. Oh! So to conclude, I am picking up amateur sounds. This software is really good, but I need a new box. I think that box is off frequency. Very, 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 very far off frequency. Wow. Because I set the number in here and another radio. So we'll do an example on camera over here and put them both 14550. Okay. And I will turn the speaker down. And if you look, M7AQI giving out a test. Hang on. 145550. Hello? Hello? Menu. Testing, 1, 2. Ah. This is M7AQI giving out a test. M7AQI. But, right. So I'll do it for this one. I'm supposed to be transmitting M7AQI. You can see I'm coming through. M7AQI giving out a test. And you can see in here. M7AQI giving out a test. M7AQI. So you can see on this orange radio that I'm transmitting, I'm coming through on the same frequency, but on the SDR, as you can see here, it's not coming through on the same frequency. I'm picking myself up way off scale, 979, not 550, which is what I programmed there, you see. But I need to figure out why there's no audio. I don't know what the fuck's going on here. But anyway, it's just me random. Okay, see. I don't know, but I'll figure it out. But yeah, when I was transmitting from the orange radio to my black radio, there was no audio coming through the black radio. But the other way around, there was. Let me just go up 55600. M7AQI, hello? M7AQI. Hello. M7AQI. Right, no audio. Anyway, I'm going to have a play around, but there's a problem. I figured out what the problem is with my SDR dongle. It's not the antenna. The antenna's brilliant. I've never had an issue with it. I can use it on my Retifis RT95, and hey presto, it picks up people perfectly on frequency. So if they transmit on 0.550, then I receive them on 0.550 on the radio. It's just this dongle. It could be the software, for all I know. But then again, it could be the dongle itself off frequency by the manufacturer. I need to take it apart, because if there's a little pot on the inside where you could adjust the frequency offset, that would be great, because it is off frequency even on the airbands, I'm typing in what this radio or any airband radio I've got receives. I type what Google says, and it's so off frequency. So I'm figuring it out, just learning how to get this dongle working. I just pulled it out. I've had it for ages, never used it because I couldn't get it working on Windows, but now I've finally got it working on Windows. I don't know if it's a driver issue or if it's a hardware issue or what. But yeah, this has been Matty. It's been a very long video rambling. So I shall cut this here now, just testing out this software. I appreciate you guys, and we'll catch you in the next video. Thank you for watching, and keep playing amateur radio.